In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know about creating FAQs or frequently asked questions in Sites Done Right. Our FAQ manager provides simplicity in organizing the answers you provide to common queries. Allow yourself and your business to be perceived as reliable and trustworthy with a repository of product or service related questions which better educate your customers. To create a new FAQ, you can either use the Quick Create button by hovering over the plus symbol at the top of the page and clicking on FAQ, or you can find this in the sidebar menu by going to Content and then clicking FAQs. On the screen that loads, you'll have options to add a new FAQ using our intuitive wizard, or building a blank FAQ by pressing the Quick Add button. We'll use the Quick Add approach in this video. So let's click the button and a new FAQ will be added. You can edit the title of this FAQ right now, or click on Admin Edit to perform more edits for this FAQ. Once the edit screen loads for your FAQ, you can add a system title, which was only visible to you as an admin and makes it easier for you to search and find pages within your site. You'll also be able to change the permalink for the page. This is the link that customers will see when visiting your website on the web. It's worthwhile noting that our system will automatically fix the link for this page to match the standards allowed online. Next up, you can get a walkthrough of building a new FAQ by clicking on the quick tour icon, or read additional help about FAQs by clicking on the help icon. The quick tour is especially useful as it will dynamically walk you around creating an FAQ step by step. So let's do that now. We get an overview of what the FAQ manager actually does. You'll be asked to input a question that you intend to answer here. You can include a requester, which is the person who asks the question if you like, but you can also leave this blank if you prefer for the question to come from an anonymous source. Lastly, you'll want to include the actual answer to the question being posed. It's always helpful to break down the answers into two parts. Try and answer the question within the first sentence or so, and then expand upon your answer in the following sentences and paragraphs. For this case, I'll just grab some text and paste that in place. You are able to format your answer if you'd like to include words in bold, or changing the alignment, or any other formatting similar to what you'd find in a Word document, or adding in new media, so images and other files that you'd like to attach to your FAQ answer. Lastly, you can go through to saving the changes that you've applied by either saving the page as a draft for you to work on later, or publishing this FAQ and making it public and live on the web for customers and visitors to see, which is what we'll do now. Once you've saved your changes, you'll be presented with some options to view the FAQ you've created, to continue editing, to view all of the FAQs in the system, or to add a new FAQ. So let's view what we've built. We'll preview this on a desktop device. And there you have it, the question and the answer provided to the question at hand. You will also be able to see that when you go to your list of FAQs or the archive page, the additional FAQ that you've created will automatically be added. This makes the process of creating and updating content across your site so much easier in our platform.